Welcome back everyone to the number one trusted name in technology. I've been saying it for so long now, and we have another full bulletproof method on how to install a fully working iOS 14 on any Android device. This can be a OnePlus, Samsung, Pixel, whatever it is. All the features within iOS are working currently. This may be patched up in a future update, but right now it's fully working, so you want to try it out as soon as possible. So the first thing you want to do, if you don't already have one, you want to download an IPSW file from either Apple themselves. You can download them through iTunes. You can download them through some other websites as well. So you just want to go ahead and get your hands on any type of IPSW file. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and plug your Android device to your computer. So what this pretty much looks like is you want to go ahead and take your Android device, get a USB Type-C cable. This only, so far, I've tested on USB-C phones and may also work on micro USB ports. So go ahead and take that cord, plug it into your computer. Now you want to go ahead and on your desktop of your computer, you want to go ahead and create a new folder called A4R1LF00L5. Just like how I have it on the display. I will also leave this link down below so you can just copy and paste it there and you can help support the channel at the same time. Now what you want to do at this point, you want to go ahead and drag that IPSW file that you have straight into that folder. So you don't want to go ahead and drag it into iTunes. Last year, that's kind of what we did. But this year, you want to go ahead and straight up just drag that file into that specific folder. Now, at this point, your phone will essentially go ahead be on its home screen. You want to make sure it's charged up. But what will happen is it'll go ahead and blank out to an empty display. And then it'll go ahead and show you the full iOS 14 version that you just inputted. Now for me specifically, I took a backup that I had and literally just pasted it over into that folder and it worked for me. But for you, it may actually take you into that hello screen and then from there you can set up your own iPhone. And this is fully working. I mean, this is crazy because just last year, exactly a year ago, believe it or not, there was another method that came out. And now this time we have another one and this fully works. I mean, there's iMessage, FaceTime, all that stuff works within this update and it's super insane. So I've tested it myself. So far it's working. You may also experience some issues too, but so far it seems stable. There are some issues here and there where sometimes it may be a little glitchy. The input may be a little bit hit or miss, but so far it's been working fully for me and I can't believe that it's still working. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.